My name is Piyush and I am a Director in Risk Advisory. And today we have our esteemed guest, Mr. RK Shenoy, who is Chief Technology Officer and Senior VP Mobility Engineering. He's also a member of the executive leadership team at Bosch Global Software Technologies. And I have with me Mr. Jaikumar Subramanian, who is a partner in Deloitte India and focuses on industrial products and manufacturing sector. Welcome and thanks for your time. So my first question to you is, considering the rapid advancement in the emerging technologies like AI, IoT, how should technology leaders envision the integration of these technologies into the company's future strategies?
Yeah, as we all know, AI is coming into all the products and it's also being used in the development of products itself. The amount of spending is almost $100 billion this year, and every company is talking about introducing AI into every product. And the way to get data is, of course, the IoT. IoT is a sensor being installed in every device. Even the classical businesses, whether it is a powertrain or whether it's a driver assistance or safety, even large machines, any part of the factory, we have sensors collecting millions of data. And this is the source from which the data is being collected. And then AI, of course, helps to decipher and make meaning out of it. There is this value addition that comes up with a combination. In fact, in Bosch, we call it as AIoT. Is a strong usage of it enhances the value of the product, and it enhances the productivity in fact the shop floor. It enhances the development efficiency as well. In fact, at Bosch we are using Gen AI now for enhancing the development of the products itself. While this is happening, and what is important is not just the technology piece but also how this is used, because the AI itself, it's important that we use it ethically, we use it also ensure that we fulfill all the norms and ensure, of course, the data privacy is kept. And those are the things that have been taken care to bring extreme good value. The personalization part is what we believe is adding much more value when it comes to even vehicles, for example. The AI helps to understand the usage, improve the pattern, improve the efficiency of the product, and bring these enhanced personalization features, learning the usage behavior. And this is how product development is happening across the world in every product line. In fact, recently when I was at CES 2024, I think there was no speaker who didn't talk about AI on every panel. And every showcase of every company, whichever be the product, they boasted that there is AI in that product, and I think I believe that. Looking at our own example, I think it's very well clear that meanwhile there will not be any products without usage of IoT as well as AI in their products.
Indeed, Gen AI is the way to go, and it's the buzzword in technology floor walk. So Jai, coming to you, what are your views? How can CIOs and tech leaders can leverage on the expertise that their teams that they have through technologies and tools which are available, so that they successfully implement this AI and IoT and ensuring seamless integration with their existing tech landscape, as well as maximizing the benefits for the organization?
So just to give you a context about what are the transformation that is happening because of the technologies of the AI, IoT, right? So if you go to an automobile companies, they don't want to be known as traditional engineering automotive companies. So they want to be called as a mobility platform company, right? So if you go to an elevator manufacturers, so they say that, okay, I'm not selling elevators, but I'm doing people movement as a service, okay? So then if you go to an oil field equipment manufacturers, they say that, okay, I'm not manufacturing oil field equipments, but I am providing as a service solution provider, right? And if you also go to medical equipment manufacturer, they want to call themselves as an end-to-end healthcare solutions provider. So these are some of the transformations that is happening in the industry, and certainly the exponential technologies like AI and IoT is playing a major difference. So from the CIO standpoint and the expertise that is available is that the first important point which I would like to highlight is the reimagination of their existing processes and business model, what they are trying to adopting, and what change and the shift that is bringing in by using this exponential technology is one of the key aspects which is very important. And all these expertise are available within the team. And then there is a technology that is coming in, trying to influence the new redefinition. And that's the reason reimagination and redefinition of the way the process has been looked through is one of the first ingredient here. The second thing is that is about after reimagination, right? We need to assemble teams together, right? Because we have expertise of multiple forms, right? There is a domain expertise, industry expertise, and also a relevance from what the customer is looking from the market. We need to ensure that whatever we try to produce or develop as a solution is in line with how it will be able to sold in the market. Right, so the relevance is the second important dimension, and creating this expertise come together with proper methodology and framework is going to have a big role in developing the right solutions for the customers.
I think one important aspect you touch upon is about the business model. When it comes to more and more technologies of AI coming into these systems and personalization, what we see is now vehicles becoming more of, it's on software on wheels. If you see modern vehicle, you can upgrade the software and obviously you can give new features. They have to be, of course, secure so that when you download such software, you don't land into trouble. But it gives a possibility that you can build business models around it. As Bosch itself, we are now working with even some startups where the base system of hardware is already in the vehicle and we deliver some of the applications, but some applications can come from some other startups who can add value on it. And then these are operating seamlessly on the vehicle to get higher value to the end user. That way, I think what we call a software-defined vehicle is becoming the norm in future. Almost most vehicles will start using these standards so that we can actually upgrade the vehicles as we use in the market, which builds new business models itself and where we actually can work on technologies that can enable it. And I think this is going to be the future.
From IIT Delhi, if I'm not wrong, they have given a new lease of life to the vehicles which have been sold off under the auction by Indian Army. So gypsies have been given a new form and fashion so that they can run on roads purely on battery powered energy sources.